Dollar is coming down, but prices have refused to come down. Nigeria, my country. It's only in this country that I have seen that the laws of economics doesn't hold. On this channel, I've said it many times that price does not move on a straight line. Price does not move on a straight line. That is price action 101. Price moves in swing. There's one thing that happened 100% of the time. Price does not go on a straight line. We've seen a very strong move in the USD NGN. For the past 2 months now, price has just been skyrocketing. But a lot of people are saying that okay, the prices are coming down now. The price of dollar is coming down. Dollar is coming down. So how far can this go? How far do we think that it's going to go? Does it mean that that's the end of the move? Let's go to the chart. Right before me, I have the chart of the USD NGN. This is a monthly chart. So for 2 months, this is month of January, February, the market was a very strong move. So we have this strong move, January strong move up, February strong move up. The month of March, there is a strong move down. What it means is that this candle, the month of March, is a rejection of this level. So we mark this level as a resistance, but don't think that the market will just fall like that. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Looking at my oscillator, I've seen a lot of bearish divergence that have failed. So meaning that the bulls are already they are strong in this market. So we should expect a retest of this level going forward. Yes, we have this is a bearish signal. These two candles are a bearish signal. Combining this candle, this the month of this is February and March. When you combine the two candles, it will give you something like a pin bar. Let me show you. This is the high of the candle. This is the low of the two candles. Where's the opening of these two candles? It opens here. It opened here. Yes, and it closed here. So this is the close. So the high and this is the open, and almost the open and the low, they are almost the same. So we have a pin bar now. Pin bar, this is a rejection and this is the low. So until price, this month is very important, so we need to pay attention to it until this month is able to close lower than this level here, which is 1000. Let's just say 1000. This is 1188. So if this monthly chart can close lower than this, then it means that it will expose other support. Where are the other supports? We have support here. We have support here. I'll go to the weekly chart now. We have support here. Why is it a support? It's a resistance that was broken. So when price is coming back, it's going to use it as a support. That's how price move. So let's switch down to the weekly. And on the weekly, what I'm saying now is I have 2 weeks of bear. These are bearish signal at the back of the Bollinger Band. And every time you see price at the back of the Bollinger Band, it means that it's overbought on the chart. And whenever I see oscillator moving in above, like this is RSI oscillator that I'm looking at, and the RSI oscillator has been above 70 for long. It came and tested 70 and went back up. This is a divergence, and every time you see a divergence has a neck. So this is the neck of the divergence. So until the neck of the divergence is broken, forget about it. Price is not coming down. So, and look at it. Okay, this is another bearish sign telling me that it's a cross. Okay, on the weekly, let's now switch it to the daily. On the daily, we are right at a support. So I expect buyers to come in at this level, which is at 1200. It's just 1200. This level, I expect buyers to come in. So what am I expecting going forward? I expect something like this into this place. and there should be a bounce back. And if the bulls are strong enough, they can push it as far as 2000 naira. So that is one possibility. Then the other possibility that can happen is that price comes and break this support and can also come for a retest and come here. That's another possibility. So if this happen, we are looking at the support at around 700, 730 around this level. And that would have formed a bearish trend, which is going to be something like this. I don't know how far, so something like this. Until this trend is broken, price will not swing back up like this. So those are the two possibilities. But currently, where we have the price there, we have the price at 1,280. We are currently at a support. So I expect buyers to come in at this level. And mind you, another thing that I'm looking at, the RSI has already crossed into the oversold region. This is below 30. So from here, I expect buyers to start coming in, and if they are strong enough, if the bulls are strong enough, they will push it and it will still go back up. And anything can happen, can break above here and expose the 2000 level. Another thing that I'm looking at, there is a gap here from here to here. Market has come to fill this gap, and every time market comes to fill a gap like that, most likely is going back up. So going forward, anytime soon, I expect a bounce in this price. I expect a bounce in this price, but how far will it go? I don't know. But if you are looking to buy dollar, I tell you this is a good price for you to buy around 1,200, 1,150. If you can get dollar at that price, it's a good price. But if you buy it and price keeps going down, another level where you can come in uh, maybe at 890, at 900, and if that level is broken, then you can come in. But that price will just start going down, 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 down like that. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen anywhere. And another thing that I'm looking at again, price has already exposed a level where it has not gotten to before. Every time price breaks, look at this. Let me show you 3-month chart. Price has never gotten to this level before, and price got there and it's now coming down. You now think that's the end. It's not the end. It's coming back for a retest, for a bounce back before it will now say it's coming back. That's the way price move. When price expose a level where it has not gotten to before, it has created that history. It might not happen immediately. It might take 2 years, might take 3 years, but price will still go back for that retest of that level. It's a level it has never gotten to before. It has exposed that level and it's coming for a support, for a push higher. Let me tell you how this thing works. Some people bought around here. Let's say they bought around 700 and price rallied to like 1,700. They've made a lot of money. They quickly sold out. Some people missed that opportunity. So they are now looking for where to enter into the market again. So when price is coming down, they are looking for an opportunity to enter again. But mind you, some people also bought at this level because when they are sellers, they are also buyers. So these people sold here. So people picked it at this level and they are hoping that price gets back to this level because they are losing money. You bought here, you got here, you made money. You sold to some people and it got here, it started coming down, they are losing money. When it gets to somewhere around here, and people that traders that have not made money and they said, this is an opportunity that I've missed, they started coming in. So buyers started coming in. When buyers push it back to this level, it will create a supply. There will be a supply. We don't know how the volume of supply that we have here, if it's going to be big enough to push price back. So when price got here, the first thing that you will expect a reasonable person to do when he's losing money, when price gets back to his original entry point, is to start selling. So they start supplying it. So you expect people to supply at this level because they bought and they were losing money, hoping that price come back. So that's just the way price move. That's the way price action is. I hope you've been able to pick one or two things in this video. And until next time, when we have the opportunity of looking at this chart again, the USD NGN chart, I say bye for now.